Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Suhail Khan and today I'm going to tell you how you can create a pie chart in Microsoft Excel. It is easier than you think. All you need to do is just a few clicks and you will get your pie chart. For an example, I'm having this data with me in which I have names of sales representatives and the amount of sales that they have made. To make a pie chart, you need to select your data, go to Insert tab, and in Charts area, you need to go to Pie Chart, and here are different options available for pie charts. For simplicity, we will go for a 2D pie chart by clicking on it. Let's zoom out a little. We can adjust the size of our pie chart from here, and as you can see, it has created this pie chart and it has this legend at the bottom and the title of the chart is at the top, and then there is this pie with different pieces available representing the percentage and value of that thing. We can format this chart by going to chart format option. Here we can change colors of any specific portion. For example, I just want to change the share of David into green, so it will change over here as well. So I can select colors of my choice as I want. Secondly, in chart design, I can add different elements on my chart. For example, if I click on labels, currently it is none, and if I click on outside end, I will see labels on the outside. Similarly, if I go to data label and I click inside end, it will include my labels inside. For my legend, currently it is at the bottom. I can put it at the top or right or left. Let's just click on right and our legend will move to right. This is how we can change different elements at our pie chart. We can change the layout of our pie chart as well. So if I come over here, which is a basic layout, this is the second layout. If I click on this one, it will change the layout of my chart. I can click on any other label layout and it will show different ways in which the chart can be reflected. So this was a short video about how you can create and edit or modify your pie chart in Microsoft Excel. If you think this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get more similar and informative videos on Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much.